In what feels like a lifetime ago, we revealed the Hiroshi Fukuda 180sx. Since that initial reveal, the car has patiently been waiting for an event that's just right to attend. Whether it's going to be our own or someone else's is still in the air. But as we are going to be testing the car briefly in this video to make sure it makes the noises and acts the way it should, may hint to something in the future. Or who knows, maybe Yusuf just wanted an excuse to do some skids at Thunderhill after watching plenty after Final Bout 7. Which we ended up bringing the car to the track only days after. So I guess let's just see how the car did, shall we? Welcome to another video of Thrash. We hope you guys enjoy this one.
I'm gonna test this 180sx. I've already dynoed it. I've driven it up and down the street, which I'll do in a second again. And every time I do that, another small little problem presents itself, so we can pull it back in here and fix it. I think it should be good now. I'm gonna pull it out and test it. Last minute checkup thingies. And then tomorrow we'll go to the big pad at Thunderhill. I rented it just for me and told a couple of my friends if they want to go, they can go. Yeah, I just want to make sure this car works in third gear, fourth if I can just get into it, whatever. Just so when Fukuda finally comes, like, there is no question about, oh shit, I hope he can get into third gear and enter. We're just gonna go fucking just huck the car around and see how it reacts, pretty much.
After a quick test at full lock, we noticed the wheel was slapping the tension rod, so you know we had to do a quick eyeball adjustment, and then we were able to put it on the ground. figured the car was as ready as it could be in its current state, so we figured to give it the traditional Thrash Racing car wash and prepare to put it on the trailer for our quick trip to Thunderhill. Now hopefully I don't jinx ourselves, but as you guys probably see that we took the aero off because, you know, it's not our job to break the aero quite yet, and that's going to be Fukuda's job whenever he's here, but hopefully I don't jinx that. You guys know how things go.
Race car, boat car, coming through!
drifted.
Sign.
Time. Time.
Hello. Alright. Just two people? It's so clean. No pouring? Hot damn.
What's up?
It works.
How's it feeling so far?
Fast. I think the shocks need to be adjusted. The e-brake fucking sucks, so I gotta do something about that. That's why I was trying to just test. But it's fast. It definitely drifts.
Woof, indeed. It was about 100 degrees outside and the temperature from the ground was about 110 to 115, which means we were going through tires like crazy and we only had so many to spare. We only brought 3 sets and only a matter of seconds this first set that we were running on was already toasted. But as our luck usually goes, something came up. Now we've already mentioned how many tires we have. We don't have that much because we are just, you know, just testing, making sure the car is cool and shit. But it seems like a set kind of is already gone because there's a little mysterious object that found its way in the tire.
So I brought 3 sets of tires. I drove maybe 5 minutes and 2 sets are already dead. One set has a nail in it that I didn't know, so that set is out. And Lamar's got one set I can use. So I have one more set of tires left for the next 5 hours in a car with 400 or 500 horsepower. I mean, you know, I've drifted both ways. The only thing I need to do is figure out this e-brake. So, I mean, it worked, as you can see a little bit, but it's like you gotta fucking point that shit like artillery or something. Like, boom. Yeah. And it looks cool even without the arrow, but if it had the arrow on it, this shit would look super sick. But I'm not risking the... You know, I come out here and do a video, blow something up, and then BM Sports is like, yeah, it's a 10-month wait, and Super D would be in fucking 6 months or something stupid. Then I'd have to call on Andre, piece this shit together. But nah, it's all good. But yeah, sounds good, feels cool. Fucking yeah, I think he'll be stoked. Shit, I can't hear anything. Yeah, big tire.
Okay. Damn, that's hot. Why did I pick that up? Unfortunately, due to our constant destruction of tires in a short amount of time, our day was pretty much cut short. However, things went smoothly. I mean, the car performed the way we hoped, no big problems, just like small things here and there that could be addressed pretty quickly. How do you feel about today, dude?
It was okay.
It was okay.
Gas pedal, e-brake sucks. Starter sounds funny. Alignment. We'll come do this in a month. One more time. No broken parts. Everybody's happy? Good.
As we ended our test day, I headed back to Japan, and you guys can be expecting Final Bout 7 to be in the works sometime coming out eventually. Thank you guys for the overwhelming support at Final Bout 7. We have people coming up to us constantly throughout the day and at the booth and such. But as I say in the many videos that we've done thus far, thank you guys for watching another video of Thrash, and we will see you in the next one.